Hi folks, I welcome you back again to my channel. Please, before we proceed, make sure you've subscribed to my channel. Make sure you've shared my channel and then like my channel as well. Please don't forget to also comment. Without wasting time, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to configure a simple PPP VPN in mikrotik, right? In PPP VPN. First of all, you need to come to your profile and create a profile for your VPN. So in this case, I've created a profile here already, which is this. Okay, and then I choose my port's local IP address and then the remote IP address as well, and then you apply and OK, and then you come to secrets. In secrets, you type in the password and username you are going to use for this particular VPN, and then here you have been asked the type of service. I want to choose any. Okay, but in this case I'm using PPTP, so let me choose this one. And then the profile I'm choosing is OWUUBII, and then you apply and OK. The next thing you need to do, which is the last thing, is to come to interface and then locate PPTP server and then enable this, and then you select your profile here and then you apply and OK. Now let's test the VPN I've just created. So VPN settings, right? So this is one I created already, so let me simply edit it and then we can get going. But let me confirm something here from here. IP pools. Okay, so this is what I chose. Okay, so I'm going to use this IP address as the server IP address. Okay, so right, and then the name. Okay, then here you insert in the username and password you created for the VPN, and then you save. Now let me try and connect and see if what I did was successful. Bam, I'm done. I'm connected to my VPN now. So this is my VPN. This is what is currently running. It was as simple as ABCD in creating PPTP VPN. And so as you can see, this is my username. This is the IP address I was given as my caller ID. But this is my local and remote IP address. Okay, and you can view the traffic from this side as well. So this is how to basically configure a PPP VPN in mikrotik, right? Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed short video tutorials. Thank you.